Red light runner. That was a cutoff. That wasn't a stop. And right, you wanna be it. Just dart right out in front of me, Missy. No problem. Waited so long. Is that an illegal U-turn? Are you a little bit too close to my ass? Can you just take a no turn on red? And he ran the red. Back off, asshole. Seriously, back off. Uh-huh. You know he's going direct to the left lane because, you know, raging Toyota. Alright. Ready? You're blocking the view, Altima. And... no, he didn't. Shit. Oh, he did. Oh, he's cutting out the mini! Ah! Scumbag. Jesus Christ, dude, use the sidewalk. A lady, whatever you are. Well, very nice of you to speed up when I'm trying to move over, you douchebag. Hey, hello! Hey! Persistent energy, it's too close. I really hate those Super Duty headlights. I really do. Really do. Really do. Off butt, lady, thank you. Don't run the stop sign. Nice. Let's call that a cutoff. Is that a roll? Was that a run? Cut off the pickup. Okay. Just cut him off. The DK just cut him off. Did he just cut him off? I'm Mr. Mushmouth. Thank you for exit diving, you turd, Toyo turd. Red light runner. Turn lane, stupid. Wrong lane, asshole. You want to just jump in his bed? Truck bed, that is. Yeah, that wasn't a yield. Yay! Yellow. Red. One runner. Explorer runner. Don't pull out in front of me. Please don't pull out in front of me. Please don't pull out in front of me. Thank you for pulling out in front of me. Stop, Jeep. Stop, Jeep. Stop, Jeep. A little faster, dude, will ya? Thank you, I guess. Well, it's always the last one that'll stop for you. Jesus Christ. I know I sound like an ingrate. I don't give a fucking girl. I don't give a fuck. Why not ride in traffic like you're supposed to, not alongside traffic? The hell did he just do? Kitty, go home. Go. No. Kitty, you belong in the house, not in the streets. It's a pet peeve. Literally. And Camry ran the red. Camry ran the red. And, because Toyota. Stay in your lane, Mr. Trot. Angeles Petroleum, stay in your friggin' lane. Thank you. Yay! Get off a dump truck. Good move. Yay! Hey. Thank you. Nope, no left turn to Walgreens. Ah, you son of a bitch. Asshole. That's too close. There we go. Exit. Yeah. Plan better, dummy. Hey, move over, Toyo turd. Jesus. Do you not see that dump truck in front of you? Nice to let this idiot go. Pay attention, lady, will ya? Wake up! Not a sightseeing tour, honey. It's a gas station. I guess we had a left turn fail here, huh? So now we gotta get around your dumbass, right? Thanks. Really appreciate this. It's red. I mean, you'd think he would have backed up. Hello, hello, hello. Stop. Need anything? Don't. Thank you. Oh god, what the hell's going on? Yikes almighty. Jesus. Alright, yeah. Be nice if they both hit the bridge abutment.